I had the capacitor, I had the resistor, I had Braun's crystal diode, I had Fleming's thermionic valve. 4 building blocks emerged between 1745 and 1904, each one born from a different problem. None of them was created with me in mind, but all of them were necessary for the transistor to exist. And when the transistor was born in 1947, it carried the lessons of them all. The capacitor taught me how to store a charge. The resistor taught how to control the flow. The crystal guided current through a single path. The valve showed where progress had to grow. And when Shockley, Bardeen and Brattain came together, they brought it all together as one. The transistor was not born from nothing. It was born from the convergence of 2 centuries of discoveries. Shockley studied conduction in semiconductors, exactly what Braun had discovered in 1874. Bardeen explained how electrons behave on the surface of crystals. Brattain helped build the first working device, exploring how electric charge is accumulated on the surface of the germanium crystal and modified its electrical behavior. Their work was only possible because 2 centuries of discoveries had already prepared the way. Every limit ever found, someone found another way. Every question left unanswered brought a brighter day. The story of learning is the story of never giving in. First I learned to store energy, then I learned to tame the flow. I discovered crystals favored one direction. I watched the valve amplify, then burn out far too soon. When everything seemed separate, the transistor brought it all together. 5 stories started far apart, 5 ideas that never met, but time brought every piece together until the transistor was born. Von Kleist, Musschenbroek, Braun and Fleming, each one opened a path worth keeping. I now had everything I needed for the transistor to exist. 200 years of independent discoveries. Capacitor, resistor, diode, valve, all prerequisites, all born from different problems, all converging on a single point. December of 1947, in a laboratory in New Jersey, that was the moment my next life began.